Welcome students. In today's video you will learn about water cycle, density and some points about conductor of electricity. Now let's start with water cycle. Students, do you know water cycle is the process of evaporation and condensation? Yes. Before knowing the function of water cycle, we have to know about evaporation and condensation. Okay, now look here. When water converts into vapor on heating is called evaporation, and when vapor converts into water on cooling is called condensation. Okay, now let's start the cycle. In the process of water cycle, water from oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, ponds and different sources of water converts into vapor because of sunlight, and these vapor are very lighter in weight, and because of light weight they goes upwards, and here in the atmosphere because of less temperature these vapors convert into small droplets of water and form clouds. And here small droplets come together and form a big droplet, and here big droplet goes again to the earth in the form of rain. So in this way water come from these sources and again come to this earth. So in this way one cycle is formed. This is called water cycle. So water cycle is the process of evaporation and condensation. Now next point is density. Students, density of a substance is its mass per unit volume. And students, do you know the density of solid form is always more than a liquid state and a gaseous state. For example, I am taking one glass and putting some iron nails on it. Then iron nails come to down surface of the glass. What it means? It means the density of iron nail is more than water. But here in cold region ice floats on water. Even then ice is form of solid state. What is the reason why ice floats on water? Students, because the density of ice is less than water. That is why ice floats on water. Okay, now come to the next point. Students, just think about that. How do plants and animals found in cold region survive their life safely? Let me explain you. In cold region, because of its less temperature, less than 0 degrees Celsius, some portion of water converts into ice, and because of less density this ice floats on water. In this way pond or region other water bodies covered with ice, and because ice is a bad conductor of electricity, the heat of the inner side trapped inside the bad conductor of layer. Here, because of presence of this heat, the living organisms live inside it safely. So in this way these plants and animals survive their life. Now come to the next topic. Students, do you know salt water is good conductor of electricity? Yes, but how? Let me explain you by an activity. For this we need one beaker with distilled water, one cork with 2 holes, 2 carbon rods, one bulb, one cell, wire and some quantity of salt. Now arrange this in equipment. Now look here. Now arrange this equipment. First take one beaker with distilled water. Then put Over the beaker, one cardboard or cork with two holes, and put here two carbon rods on it. Then connect these carbon rods, cell and bulb with wire. After this connection, we see the bulb does not light up because there is no ions are present in distilled water. Then next, take 1 spoon of salt and add in it. After adding, the bulb lights up. In this way, we can see the salt water is a good conductor of electricity. Do you know why? Because in salt water, negative and positive ions are present. Students, I hope you learned all of this which I explained you today about water cycle density and this topic. But after then, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.